What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be wrapping up both of these units here. Roofs will be complete, everything will be done aside from a small roof on the far side, tying the existing into the new construction. We're almost done, guys. So now here's where things take a little bit more time. Where our fascia returns back into here, this on the other side is 3 inches over that way. It almost works. We need to put in a valley block. That doesn't work here. Our fascia runs right into here. So we want our valley block to come off right to the back side of fascia. We want tails on both sides, just like you guys have seen on the other parts of the build. Now, unfortunately, what that means is we have to cut and demo out all this stuff to where we can make that happen. So we have to take out this corbel, put in our valley block, put in a corbel that way, corbel this way, and then from there our fascia can run over and back. So that's our game plan for today, is to get these dialed in, get them buttoned up, and get it sheeted. So as you can see, this fascia dives in just to the right of that corbel right there. Still doesn't work out good enough to get our valley piece in. So we're gonna have to cut back along the top of this corbel, take all this stuff out, rebuild this section. So now this side's demoed. That'll cut out, valley block goes in, tail, fascia runs out. It'll go together smooth. It's much better knowing that this is going to be fixed and everything is going to look perfect. So real quick, I'm gonna show you a hardware detail that Jay and Q are working on. It is gnarly. We have 4x6 blocks in here. That's a hold down right there. There's an all thread that goes through there, through the truss, through that truss, through the block, up here, and then ties to a block on the side of a truss. Now, why is this a thing? Because we're in California. Darn it. I just got this thing. I've only had this phone for like a month. I do not want to buy another one. inspector just showed up. We're gonna walk this roof with them, see what he has to say. We've got the cordless Hitachi framing nailer. If anything needs to be nailed, we can nail it off with him while he's up there.
I don't have any objection to that. The nailing's good. I can't imagine they screwed anything else up.
We try not to.
No, I think it all looks good. It looks clean.
He walked this roof for a little bit, checked our nailing, and they can tell when you come onto a project. If your framing is clean, they have confidence in you. He walked this place underneath, looked up. He told us that he couldn't see one shiner. That right there tells him that we take pride in our work and that we're not sloppy. We got up there, he said all is good. Place is passed as far as roof nailing goes. But we still have to do shear inspection, but we're good up top. So we just passed inspection. Roofers are here to love the roof. Goes quick. We just put that little sheet in there. Unfortunately, that cut wasn't square. I had a factory edge, so that's what we went with. These sheets are in, this is all done, that's nailed off. Time to go to the other side. So this side's done now as well. They're working on getting the paper dropped down. Chasing us. We'll be done here soon. All we got is the one little side left over. Pops is over there getting the sawzall going nuts right now. Cutting out that corbel. I'm gonna head over there, cut in our valley block, Get it framed out real quick and we're done. We will not have to hop back up top on this roof ever again. That's a good thing. As you guys can see, they got their paper going right now. They chased us all day. No big deal. We got that thing sheeted out. All those little sections take quite a bit to build because you're tying into existing and it's not always perfect. For instance, they're building, some of their corbels were completely out of square. Makes it fun when we do our job and tie into it with new stuff. We're looking good, guys. This build's coming together. The only thing we have left to do is some odd and end hardware along with that small little roof that I've mentioned too many times now. So if you guys look up here, we installed the valley block, we installed that dummy and that dummy as well. Walk over to this other side. They match. Had we not taken out that corbel right there and replaced it, they would not match at all. That was the best option. It took quite a bit longer, but it looks 10 times better.
Those were the days I couldn't get on the roof. But look at me now, Pa. Look where I'm at now.
That's beautiful. That's really good. We're gonna head on out, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please show some love. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. We are almost to 50,000. My goal for this build when we first started, I was aiming for 50,000 subscribers by the end of the build. Right about now, we are really close. So I need you guys' support. Hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell icon to the right of it. You'll get notified anytime we upload. Let's see if we can break that 50,000 by the end of this project. I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. I'll catch you guys next time. Hang on.